We've heard a lot about the big threat that is Hurricane Melissa, but what if you're one of the Jamaicans over there? That's the reality for the dad of a Bondurant man. Here's a photo of Antonio Relly's dad. Antonio says he hasn't seen a hurricane this bad in Jamaica since 1988. His dad lives in the northern part of Jamaica in a town called Ocho Rios. He is choosing to hunker down and stick it out. Before the storm, Antonio's dad stocked up with lots of extra food and emergency supplies.
They say on the news they got to be prepared for this and prepared for that, and a lot of stuff they got to... Yeah, it's kind of one of them deals, you know. It's crazy.
Antonio is asking everyone to keep his dad and everyone else that lives in Jamaica in their thoughts and prayers.